Hello, good morning. My name is Luis. I collaborate with Spota Home, and now I show you this apartment. This apartment is in the city center of Valencia. It's very close to the Corte Inglés, shops, restaurants. I will connect with the bus and the subway to the city center. I have very close the train station. And now I show you the hall. This is the hall, have one closet, and you can keep the jackets, something else. And now I show you the kitchen. The kitchen has all necessary, have a dishwasher, the fridge, oven, and microwave. In this part we have a laundry, and you can find the washing machine, have one sink, and the dryer. And now I show you the living room. Has a TV, has one sofa, and one table for it. The kitchen has one table, it's perfect for have a breakfast or eat something, and the living room. Now I show you the rooms and the bathroom. This is the first room. In the first room you can find two single beds and the closet. This is the first bathroom. The first bathroom has a sink and the toilet and the shower. This room is like a studio. You can work in this room or has two beds, two tables, and the closet. This is the principal room. In the principal room you have a bathroom, and you can find one sink and the toilet and the shower. Has a closet. And now I show you the room. The room have one double bed. And this is all the apartment. I hope when you come to Valencia, have a nice days. Enjoy. Bye. Bye.